Are you 55, 60 or even older and have tried doing business online, failed and gave up in the first month? Guess what? Most seniors who try to start an online business don't fail because they are too old. They fail because they make one quiet mistake right at the beginning. It looks responsible, it feels smart, but it silently kills momentum before results even have a chance. In this video, I will show you what that mistake is and exactly what your first 30 days should look like instead. Let me reassure you first. If you have felt stuck or overwhelmed, it doesn't mean that you're bad at this. It means you are thoughtful. And here's the mistake: trying to do everything properly before you do anything at all. Most seniors approach an online business the same way. They approach their careers. And I include myself here. We want to understand everything, learn every tool, make the perfect decision. Online, that turns into overthinking paralysis. Weeks pass, months pass, nothing gets built, at least not the way it should. Here's why this is dangerous. When you delay action long enough, something sneaks in. And can you guess what it is? Self-doubt. You start comparing yourself. You start wondering if others are faster or smarter, not because it's true, but because momentum never had a chance to form. Here's the truth that changes everything. The goal of the first 90 days is not income. Forget all these false promises to get rich. If you only follow their advice, they pull you into a money-chasing race. This is not only dangerous, but it's completely false. Instead, your first goal is something completely different. It's to find the right momentum. Sounds confusing? Don't worry. Now we're going to establish the momentum. So, if trying to do too much is the mistake, what does doing it the right way look like? Let me show you a calm, realistic first 30-day pathway. No pressure, no overwhelm, just direction. Week 1 is about clarity, not certainty. Decide who you want to help and why you would like to help them. Don't try to reach the entire world, but figure out who would be grateful to get your unique advice. Not the perfect niche, just people you understand and the problem you care about. Clarity beats creativity every single time. Week 2 is a commitment. Choose one platform, a blog, a YouTube channel, or an email list. Not all three at the same time. You indeed need to build an email list later, but don't worry about it now. I will come back to the email list later in this video. It's all about one place, one direction. This is how overwhelm disappears. When I started my online business, I put all my energy into my blog. When going back and viewing all the first article I published over a decade ago, they were just terrible. But over time, I learned a lot. And today my articles are completely different. My goal was to become a blogger, helping retirees with the problems we all face when retiring. So, week 3 is about learning only what you need now. How to post an article, if that is the way you want to approach people you're going to help. How to upload videos on YouTube, if that is your way. How to structure content. How to keep going. This is where guided systems matter. They stop you from drowning in information. When I felt that I knew well enough how to blog, I took the next step and started my YouTube channel. Precisely the same path as with the blog. And today my blog and YouTube channel work nicely together, I would say. Every new blog post also has a video embedded, and I gain momentum by combining the two platforms. Some people prefer to read the article, others prefer watching the video. By the way, YouTube is today the platform where we retirees are the fastest growing age group. I got a lot of feedback about doubts and questions and how to start a YouTube channel. Therefore, I decided to start a special training series, How to Get Started. I share all I learned, progress, frustrations, victories, and also failures. If it sounds interesting to you, join this training series, Retirees and YouTube My Journey, especially tailored for us retirees who didn't grow up during the digital era. The era we are living all right now. There is a link in the text below or at the top of the screen. Week 4 is the moment to publish your first piece of content, whether it's an article or a video, without worrying about perfection. Just be real. Talking about being real, be careful how to use AI, which is the tool we all have in our arsenal right now. Using AI the wrong way, it will not be you talking, but someone else. In an upcoming video in our training series Retirees and YouTube My Journey, I mentioned earlier, a complete video will be dedicated showing how to use AI correctly. Once something is live, your identity shifts. You're not longer thinking about starting. You have started, my friend. Some words about your email list. Whatever platform you decide to use, a blog, YouTube or something else, they all have one thing in common. We need to get hold of your readers, viewers' email addresses to stay in contact with people. The time when people purchase products or services after the first approach, it's been gone for a long time. Your only goal with your platform should be to deliver value. With value, you begin building trust. People buy from people they trust. Simple like that. To make this process possible, you need to build your email list, where you after a while will have thousands of people, all on different levels. These people you need to nurture with more value. And when reaching the breaking point, when they trust you enough, you can start to offer your product or service. To handle all these prospects, you need an autoresponder. An autoresponder is not only simple storage of email addresses. It's a software you can use to send out different types of messages depending on their trust level. There are plenty of good autoresponders in the market, and it's important to choose the right one that offers the service you need for your business. I'm using a one called Overwhelm as my autoresponder. Besides fulfilling all the criteria I need for my business, it's fully integrated into my business platform, which makes life so much easier. There's a link to Overwhelm in the text below if you would like to test it. You can start by using a free version of Overwhelm. My friend and entrepreneurial fellow, this is not a race, it's a transition. Starting an online business after 60 is about staying mentally engaged, building meaning, and letting experience finally count. You are not late, you are early in a new chapter. If this video helped, don't binge more content. Instead, take one small step today. Read the article connected to this video or explore beginner-friendly system designed especially for seniors. Modern Wealthy Training, together with the Launch You platform, which is the home of my business, offers structure without pressure and progress without overwhelm. You need something that grows with you, and that is exactly what Modern Wealthy and Launch You do. The truth is that people who quit in the first month, these are the ones who try to do all steps at the same time. The tremendous advantage of joining Modern Wealthy is that they help you to get on track. the correct way from the very beginning. If it sounds interesting, in the text below here, there is a link to access completely a free 7-day training to learn more about all we have been talking about in this video, and you will find a path to your right momentum from day one. If this video serves you as an eye-opener, share it with other people you know who are struggling with the same problem. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos that for sure will help you on your online business journey. In the video coming up here on the screen at the top here, at the end of this episode, I will explain how entrepreneurial thinking changed everything for me at the age of 62. Now at the age of 73, well, almost 74, time flies, my friend. The way of thinking as an entrepreneur allows me to view retirement as a second chapter in life. The chapter when you decide the pathway and not the lifestyle dictated by circumstances. All the best with your online business adventure, and let 2026 be the year when it finally happened. See you in the next video.